Hello everyone, myself Sumanpreet Kaur. I hope you all are fine. I am very curious in nature, so many questions keep coming to my mind. I love to find new facts and share with everybody. But today I am going to talk to you all about something that we all know and we all share. Can you guess? One thing that we all share, it's the environment. As you all know that environment is the nature and surroundings in which all plants, animals, humans and other living beings live and operate. Every living and non-living things is related to environment. All natural things which make life possible on the earth are included in the environment, like air, water, solid sunlight, forest, plants, animals, etc. It is believed that the earth is the only planet in the universe having all the required environment for the life existence. The perfect balanced planet. All the natural components are the real beauty of environment, like trees which are called the green cover of the surface of the earth. They purify air and provide oxygen for the survival of animals and humans. Similarly, all natural environment has many important role in our lives. We cannot imagine life without resource present in our environment. I feel very sad to see that we humans, in the search of progress, have forgot the value and importance of our environment, our mother nature. Air pollution, land pollution and water pollution are three major forms of environment pollution. This impacts the global climate and living conditions to a great extent. Our life would be lost if we regard environment and misuse the natural resource. We all have studied it in school, but pupils still don't worry about it. We cannot afford destroying our environment. In the name of industrialization and urbanization, the environment is the most important resource for life. Without environment we cannot imagine life here, so we should keep our environment safe and clean to ensure the life possibility in future. We all need to contribute to save trees by planting trees, reducing plastic use and saving all natural resources. Friends, I know these things we already now know, but we forget many times for our comfort and progress. So please see my request and promise to yourself that you will play your role in saving our environment. Thank you. Bye bye.